In precision welding, achieving perfect fitment sometimes requires minor modifications right at the weld site. Whether due to thermal distortion or design changes, enlarging clearance holes is a common reality in modification welding. The most effective solution is using precision carbide burr tools, which remove material quickly without compromising weld integrity. Cylindrical burrs provide a consistent cutting surface, making them ideal for widening slots and openings. For circular holes, a steady hand and constant light pressure ensure you maintain a true diameter. Safety is paramount. High-speed metal chips travel fast, so always wear a full face shield and safety glasses. Protect your eyes and face from hot, sharp debris during every modification. Stop and check your progress frequently to ensure a just right fit for your assembly. The goal is enough clearance for easy assembly while maintaining structural alignment. Mastering carbide burrs is vital for high-precision repair and custom fabrication. Keep practicing.